fight with your once BFF. So what do you do to solve the problem?
Well, I think that the best form of solving the problem would just be to address the person, actually go up to that person and say, what's wrong, what's our problem, and if that person is a true friend, you guys are going to want to fix your relationship. So it's always a good idea to talk it out and see if you guys can solve the problem by talking as opposed to completely terminating the friendship.
I think communication is the most important element to a friendship. It helps build a strong foundation and it helps it to grow. And I think that discussing your problems with your friends is how you solve them.
I would probably just go up to them and say, okay, we obviously have a problem and we should probably solve that together, because it does take teamwork to solve your problems.
I would just stay out of it and try and avoid it.
How do you balance the pyramid? School, friends, and sleep.
That's a hard one. I work after school. I work 13 hours a week, and it gets really tough sometimes. But the best thing is to actually have it scheduled. Use your planner, use your phone. Carve out a specific amount of time during each day for school, work, and then friends. And make sure that you do have to see your friends, because you have to maintain that relationship. So what I like to do is I like to carve out special time blocks, an hour or two for homework, and then after work, or an hour for friends on the weekends.
I have a hard time balancing sometimes, but I think it's important that you leave a lot of room for your friends, because detaching is a really big problem. So you should have a few hours of studying a day or homework or whatever, and then just be with your friends. Also, I don't sleep anymore because of school, so I should probably work on that, but yeah.
Balancing the pyramid is really actually difficult for me. I dance 14 hours a week and I have plenty of homework. I'm taking too many honors classes for freshmen, but somehow I all fit it in, and those days on the weekends are my time for my friends and my family. During the week it's cram-packed. Day to day I have to get things done right away. Efficiency.
I pretty much don't sleep and have no social life and have been very organized this year.
What do you think the best way to study for finals is?
The best way to study for finals, I think, is just to go over all your past notes, all past homework assignments, or if your teacher gives you a review packet, I find that those are very, very helpful. But another thing you have to remember to do is make sure you pass over those, all your notes and all your past assignments. And if you can come in to look at your past tests, that's a really good idea. So you should always talk to your teacher and ask if you can see past tests or past assignments to review.
I think the best way to study for finals is to, you have to go over all your notes and all your homework and everything, and go over all the review packets. And sometimes it helps when you form a study group with your friends, even though some of them can be kind of unproductive. You have to set a goal and you have to try to achieve it, and it's really hard, but sometimes being with your friends actually helps you.
Since I'm a freshman, my question is, when do I think the appropriate time to start studying for finals is? I would probably say that 2 weeks to 2.5 weeks in advance is ideal, but I'm starting late actually, first trimester. I'm starting 2 weeks, or one in a couple days really, so I have to get focused and I have to do things and I have to read over everything. But I'm going to do all the review packets and go through all my math stuff, and I'm hopefully going to ace them.
I would definitely set a priority list of your classes and then study each one, but only study each one for an hour at a time instead of overwhelming yourself with one subject.
What are you going to do to celebrate your completion of finals?
To celebrate my completion of finals, I'll probably take a long nap. But afterwards, I think I'm going to have a thing with friends and just kind of celebrate with them, just kind of celebrate, finals and doing all the work. And I think I'll definitely just kind of take a week to just chill out and relax.
Lots and lots of sleep. And being lazy with my friends, stuff like that. Not a partier at all.
To celebrate finals being over, I probably will sleep well that night. I will be really relieved, but then also knowing that I have a break, which will be really nice. I'll probably see my friends and we will all get together and be like, finals is over, yay!
It's going to be my birthday, so I'm going to celebrate with friends and going to the movie and stuff and celebrate my birthday and then sleeping.
the answer.